Hey, good morning, guys. So, welcome back to another exciting episode of Marketing in the Zone. Okay, so, guys, today we'll be talking about a very important topic. Sorry that we are actually breaking up with the whole series of personal branding, but today's topic is as equally important. Basically, we'll be talking about outsourcing. I use the O word, guys. Oh my god. So, guys, there's a lot of people who actually feel that outsourcing as a word should not be used because that actually essentially says that you personally do not have that expertise in stuff. Okay. So, guys, I beg to differ on that area. Okay. The reason why I beg to differ in these particular conditions are because if you can't handle, so guys, what happens is whenever you guys are actually doing marketing, okay, whenever you have an in-house team who is doing marketing, the biggest problem with that team is that they are focused on how to make the brand bigger, guys. Okay, so ORM activities and the rest of the usual marketing activities actually take up a lot of their time. Okay, so what happens is they are actually busy with a lot of other regular marketing activities. Okay, and they miss out on a huge chances or opportunities because of the fact of them being busy with something else. Okay, so guys, during these tough times of COVID-19 situations, it is best to actually hire or have an outsourcing team as well with your regular marketing activities. Why? Okay, why, you may per se ask, and you will always get me to tell you ki boss, then what will happen is that the extra marketing team or the outsourced team will work hand in hand with your current team, because they have defined goals, guys. Okay, so they work as per a plan, they are there only for a stipulated time, so they will do their activity, they will give you the result, and they will be off, guys. Okay, so this actually helps you kind of gain better traction, gain better kind of trust among people, and gain the kind of much needed differentiation in the usual marketing activities, with respect to your competitors as well. Okay, so guys, what happens is, in case you have a smaller team or you have a very focused team, even in that case, because the third party or the outsourced team comes in with the area of expertise, they actually bring a new breed or a new level of blood to your much needed business. Okay, and then they can give you that extra inquiries and the extra kind of leads generated during this period as part of your normal regular activities. Okay, so guys, definitely I will definitely kind of say, go for outsourcing companies, go for outsource businesses. Okay, because then the expertise that they will bring right now will be very crucial to ensure that you actually reach much higher positions or much higher revenue structures, or you can even say customers. Okay, so guys, the much needed attention can be brought by these outsourced companies and these outsourced activities. Okay, so guys, what happens also is, because you have missed out on almost 3-4 months now. Okay, so these 3-4 months, the current marketing team alone cannot kind of cover up. Okay, so maybe you were running, maybe you were not. Okay, but either ways they can't cover up, guys. Okay, but outsourced company can help you cover up this in practically 15 or months time. Okay, and you might not need the outsourced company for a long prolonged period, so probably by December or Jan end, you can say, you can have a contract till then, and then you say, okay, bye guys, thank you for the help and support. Okay, wherein guys, this outsourced team will essentially act as your backboard, where they will be correcting some of the mistakes that were made earlier, or some of the kind of places that you have not been able to reach. Okay, and while you will be able to reach better places, you would have also corrected the back end mistakes which you made earlier. Okay, so essentially guys, what I mean to say is, this way you will achieve better results, you will have reached more forward, and you would have done all of this while you have corrected the base mistakes that you made earlier. Okay. So guys, it's very important. I know that a lot of people consider that as the word that should not be used. Ideally, if in case you have the expertise in house, but guys, I come from that thought where I think that we should be using outsourcing, and we should have outsourced these activities plus some other activities as well. Okay, wherein the extra expertise can help us gain that kind of attention for the audience and for the customers, while we are not having them on our payroll for a prolonged period. So it's just per month pay, wherein you are just paying for their activities, for their efforts, and then they are off. Okay. So guys, think of it in this way, that it is a way to improve your business or expand your business. Okay. And guys, if they are that good or they are bad, you can define whether you would like them on retainer basis or not. Okay. That way is you can keep coming back to them just to increase your business for that specific period, and wherein your current team actually learns. Okay. So your current team can take that effort which is coming from the outsourced team, and they can actually learn how on the area of expertise of the outsourced team. Okay. So every team, guys, has a area of expertise. Okay. And this team, whatever they are doing, they can actually teach your internal marketing team on what are the factors or where they are actually missing out. Okay. And they can start getting that kind of information. With that information, they can grow better than who they are now. Okay. So guys, this is a very important step that as an entrepreneur or as a business owner you will have to take. Okay. This is a decision which should come from you guys. Okay. And once it comes from you, obviously even the company will realize ki boss, okay, if there is an extra requirement of effort which is there, my boss will support me if case we go outsource. Okay. And guys, think about it in this way, that not everywhere outsourcing is important. Okay. But wherever there is a lag or there has been a slack because of the COVID-19 situation or whatever be it, then guys, those are areas which you will have to cover up over there. Okay. And areas of that kind obviously has to have external effort or external support. Okay. So guys, I definitely for one feel that though it's a non-spoken word in a lot of places, I definitely feel that the extra set of hands and the extra set of thought process and mind works can actually do wonders for a company or for a mid-size or even a startup company. Okay. So guys, I definitely will suggest you to go for outsourcing for the time being. Okay. So probably say till Jan end or so, when you might or might not be, your internal team is fully functional or fully active on social media and other fronts, have an outsourced team who is ready to do that for you, so that you can actually rest back and be sure that you are not going to get a blowback once you're back, or once your company is completely active on any social media. Okay. So you are not getting messages of hey, welcome back, or good morning, or nothing of that sort. Okay. So guys, these messages do hurt, because that actually says that you were missing when the customer needed you the most, or when the customer was active. Okay. So any form of activity, guys, that the outsourced team can bring on the table for this area or this part of the time can do wonders for you, based with respect to brand building and with respect to the kind of image building that you are trying to do. Okay. And guys, their level of expertise or their area of expertise can also help you gain or kind of catch up on the lost time or the lost kind of business. Okay. And guys, this actually helps in a big way, because that means that you are going above and beyond something that your own competitor did not go. Okay. and that will definitely guys give you the benefit anytime. And probably there are a lot of customers who are just sitting to be reached. Okay, and this extra set of hands and extra set of legs can probably help you reach there. Okay, so guys, think of it in this way, that you are using a helping hand so that you can reach the areas where you haven't reached till now. Okay, so guys, this is a very, as I was saying, it's an important step and it's an important part of marketing. Okay, guys, marketing is not just about being there and doing what is needed. Marketing is also about thinking about where the gap actually exists and covering up that gap, or no, you can say also working on the gap to ensure that you go ahead of the competition, guys. Okay, so going ahead of the competition is what is most required. Okay, and that is what makes you a better marketer or a better thinker or a better strategist. Okay, so guys, that was about outsourced marketing. And how to do outsourced marketing is very simple, guys. Look for agencies, or look for companies who have that expertise or who have done it before. Okay, it might not be that there are only companies who have who have a good clientele. Okay, I am also speaking of companies who personally have achieved that milestones. Okay, who can actually give you that kind of benefit or credit. Look for those guys, look for those companies, probably startups. Okay, why? Because they will be more interested in ensuring that you get the maximum ROI, because that actually defines how successful or how sad, how good they are in their own business. Okay, so they will set their success based on your success. Okay, so which will kind of propel your business to actually go and reach those goals, guys. Okay, so ideally go with startups, but then again it doesn't there's no harm, no, there's no harm done if you actually go with companies who are actually having a good clientele, or who have actually reach certain goals. Okay, but guys, what happens is, when you go with such companies, you actually miss out on one little aspect, which is that they are not fundamentally kind of easy going on their targets. Okay, so guys, you can try to get maximum kind of ROI from companies who are starting up, because you can actually ask them to go over and beyond whatever they are promising. But with companies who are actually established, they will not kind of work down on what's been promised to you. They will just hit those targets and just be gone with it. Okay, so guys, essentially what I mean to say is, 90% of the time it is startups which actually go beyond what they say. Okay, because they are trying to grow, they are trying to actually have a breakthrough. Okay, so they might be in a ready state of mind to help you, or to go beyond what they do usually, to ensure that you get the maximum ROI, or you might get the maximum benefit. So they will kind of boost your current mileage with that extra. Okay, so you are now going at a very good mileage, wherein you were initially going lesser because of your own internal teams. Okay, and they can kind of ensure that you are getting the benefit and the kind of reach that you have never felt before. Okay, and guys, you can also try them for almost 3 6 months, as I said, till December or Jan. Okay, so what, it's not too long, no, it's not too short, where you don't know the effect that the outsourced team could bring to your business. And at the same time, it's not too long wherein you are just becoming completely dependent on them forever. Okay, so guys, this kind of strategy could help you kind of boost and propel your own business and achieve better numbers and achieve better sales. Okay, so guys, that's a thought which I had, and I wanted to share that urgently because of the situation and everything. I thought that me putting a word, if whatever impact it can have, I would rather have that than miss it. Okay, so guys, it's a thought again. Do look for outsourcing companies, do look for outsourcing startups rather. Okay, who can come in and who can give you the benefit for the next about 6 months or so. Okay, So guys, thank you very much. Have a great day. So this me wrapping up. Have a great day. Bye.